One of our sons is missing. He cannot go on. He said the world was heavy. On the way to Easter, I missed his voice this morning. Missed a smile in his eyes. If he only knew the pain he caused. He don't wanna return. It's too late. One of our sons, he chose a selfish role. It's too late. One of our sons, he never returned home. It's too late. One of our sons, he chose a selfish role. It's too late. One of our sons, he never returned home. Now I'm really getting angry, 'cause he never spoke to me. We could have worked it out. Things are forever what they seem. Did he think this was